Up, Up, Bella Umbrella by Celine Diego. In the faraway land of umbrellas, there was one who wanted to be different. She was Bella. I don't want to be an ordinary umbrella. I want to be different. So one day, she decided to go and wander around new places. Friend Wind, take me to other places. She told the wind. Gladly, the wind said. The wind puffed and huffed. Up, up, and up Bella went. On her way, she saw a wide river. She suddenly stopped. She heard a boy calling. Help! Help! Save me! The boy cried. Zoom! The very helpful umbrella snatched and pulled the boy out of the river. She turned around in a flash. She became a boat. Ride on, she told the boy. The boy embraced Bella. Thank you, he said. Okay, go home now. Take care of yourself. Soon, Bella was enjoying the sight in a Boy Scout camp. She spotted a boy up the coconut tree. He could not go down. He was so very scared. The other scouts were shouting, Hold on, Ampy! One boy shouted, You're nuts, Ampy! See, you can go up, but you can't go down the coconut tree. Bella was just looking, but soon she knew what to do. Guess what happened? I visiting the Girl Scout camp this month. Bella decided the roaming umbrella was almost there when a heavy downpour disturbed the girls. Oh, oh, our barbecue party will spoil, the girls shouted. Quickly, Bella Umbrella wanted to help. She started to stretching her body, stretching, stretching, and stretching until her body covered the whole jamboree site. Oh, look up! We have a giant umbrella. Thanks a lot, they all shouted and clapped. Bella waved them goodbye and said, See you again, girls. Up, up, Bella Umbrella by Celine Diego.